नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेविन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इन जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session we are going about discuss the sakam karma and niskam karma and concept of drama. So let's start the topic. The first, the difference between nishkam and nishkam karma and shakam karma. The first is niskam karma. Nishkam karma. The nishkam karma is the positive of sakam karma, and niskam karma is considered to be the selfless and action without and even the acceptable on the internal and hope for a thank you or godness and return. Therefore, second is the sakam karma is considered an attachment to the result of personal actions in life with motives of self-interest, and whereas niskam karma and centers on the actions a yogi and talks within the world for the sake of others, not for self benefits. And shakam karma. The shakam karma means to act and safely or with and personal gain and self-interest in mind. And when actions out of sakam karma, an individual is acting and with the expectations and motivations and that good will be returned unto him or her his life. Now let's discuss the concept of dharma and karma yoga. Dharma and karma yoga. No matter what religions and the traditions you follow, and you will be asked to live a moral life by the tenets and of that religions. The terminology and various from east and to west, north to south. But the basic message of all major religions is be kind to your fellow and men, and you will eventually receive an award. The integrous religions is be kind to your fellow men, and you will eventually receive an award. The indigenous and religions of India and Sikkim, Hindus, Buddhism and Genesis. All ask their believers to follow him. The concept of drama and karma to improve and not only this life, but they are ensuring one as well. And definitions of dharma and karma drama dharma and refers to one's duty is in this life, and you dharma and varies and according to your class and your family and the time of your life, family and the time of your life. And karma that refers to the actions and that one does in relations to one's dharma. In our senses, and the dharma could be seen and one's lifelong and task, and karma that steps that one has to take to complete the task. And applying dharma and karma to your life, dharma can either be a comforting or an unsettling concept. On the one hand, and you may believe that if you follow the traditions of your family and community, and you will be completing your dharma, and that means that as long as you and uphold the status and pure, and you are being a moral person. And however some people may questions and their personal and dharma and search for its true and meaning outside the the confines of their community. In that case, the quotes for dharma is lifelong and can cause considerable stress if you feel and you are not properly following it. The karma can be thought of as tally book, and all the actions you do and good and bad are recorded. Some people and believes and that if you good actions and outweigh on the your bad, and then you will move to higher and labels on your next rebirth. And if you bad actions and outweigh and your good, then you will move to a lower and label on your next rebirth. And others believe that every actions and needs a balance. If you something and good for someone in this life or the next, he will repay and you forever. The same is true for death. Thank you. These sessions is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.